turning an old concrete floor into Victorian-style marble. Step 1. Surface preparation and base coat. Clean and prep the old concrete. Step 2. Application. Apply gray antiquing stain as the base coat. Step 3. Highlighting and blending. Use light charcoal stain for highlights, then apply silver gray stain to blend and achieve a natural look. Step 4. Surface sealing. Apply Easy Seal Gloss Concrete Sealer to protect and enhance the finish. Step 5. Adding stenciled patterns. Use damask stencils on each side of the entrance door to match the house's Victorian style. Step 6. Final sealing and finish. Apply a second coat of sealer for a finished look and ultimate protection. The grand reveal.